Hello student. Today I will teach you science of class 6th. Chapter 4. Sorting material into groups. Sorting means what? To arrange material into groups. First we understand what is material. Material are those which have mass and take space, okay, such that water bottle, air, everything. Of First we understand what are not material. Not material are those such as feelings, okay. Now table 4.1, object and the material they are made up of. Suppose that plate, material they are made of steel, glass, plastic, etc. things. Pen, made up of plastics and metal, obviously. Now table 4.2, different type of objects that are made up of from the same material, such that using wood we can make chair, table, plug, cart, etc. Using paper we can make book, notebooks, newspaper, toys, calendars, etc. Now, while we sorting, first understand of the material. Similar type of material or at similar place. Second one is different type of material at different place. Make us convenient to study their properties. Now, we understand the properties of the material. Okay. First property is appearance. Suppose if we touch our see metal things, they shine and they have luster, right? While some have no luster like wood. Second property of material is hardness. Any material will be soft or hard, right? Suppose if we touch cotton, this is soft, right? While we touch iron, it is hard in nature, right? Now third property is soluble or insoluble. Soluble. Suppose if we take water, salt, sugar, vinegar, oxygen are soluble, while wood, glass, etc. are insoluble, right? Now our next property is float or sink in water. Some materials are float in the water like dried leaves, while some are sink in the water such as stone. Now soluble such as solid in sugar is a solid, lemon juice is a liquid, oxygen in a gas, right? Now our next based on transparency property is based on transparency. Our light such that transparent glass, water, air, etc. are transparent. When light come in these things, the light will be transparent, mean go other side. Translucent, example butter paper, oily patch, and oily paper. Suppose light go what? Suppose that we can see other side but not clearly, right? Now third is opaque, translucent. Then last is opaque. Opaque is that in which like wood, box, hand, light doesn't pass, such that we cannot see in the other side, right? Now based on suppose some example I will take, such that general store shop easily give the things because they sort the thing in different places, such that soap in different place, biscuits in different place, pulses are in different place, right? Now, some keywords in this chapter. Hard. Hard means if we touch something like iron is a hard. Insoluble, which is non soluble, like that wood. Right? Luster means shiny. Material, which have space and which take space and have some mass, mean weight. Metals mean shiny. Opaque, light cannot pass through them. Rough means not shiny. Soluble means sugar, salt, etc. soluble in water. Translucent, in which we cannot clear see other things, see but not clear. Transparent, we can see other side in a clear way. Example, lens. These are the worksheet summary and work exercise. Some example of transparent material, that is glass. Oily paper, that is transparent. Wood, it is a opaque material.